Howdy everyone, back with another one of these repacks, probably the last one for a while. I had bought two of those Fairfield repacks, 75 cards plus one pack, and four, I think 1 and 4 contain a hit. Pulled that fake auto LeBron James last time, so this one has Kawhi Leonard for the Spurs PC on the front, that's why I grabbed it. Target for $4.99, mostly old 90s junk wax, but you never know. Let's see here. And usually packs early junk wax too. Alright, well, our pack is... oh, we got a wild card. Let's see here. What year is this? Doesn't even say. I wonder if you can still send off for the... there you go, if you guys want to try it. I don't even see a year on this thing. Has to be like 90, 91, something like that. Alright. Got a big old stack of probably junk, but let's check it out. Wayman, let's see. Wayman Tisdale, Skybox. Francisco Garcia for the Kings. Oh, that one's cool. Got a Jordan Legacy. Upper Deck has such classy looking cards. Always like their little filler, the silver filigree insert. That's a cool one. Used to love watching Jordan back in the day. I think every kid did. We got a James Bryson right there. Got Dikembe Mutombo. Dude was a beast. Montrose. It's a cool looking card. Eric Montrose, like a superhero. Terry Davis for the Mavericks. Tyrone Bogues. Some flashbacks when I was really into basketball when I was younger. Bobby Phills. Buck Williams. Look at those glasses. Got a Von Wafer for the Rockets PC. AC Law for the Aggie PC. Sweet. Kid was a beast at A&M. I think he ended up playing for some kind of French league or some strange league. But got a Eric Gordon. Mike Brown. Brent Berry. It's an interesting looking card. Here's from 2004. Tops. Wish Tops were still doing basketball too. Danny Granger. Got a Byron Houston. Eric Petrowski. Got a Dale Curry. We got Dwayne Wade. A Dion Waiters. Rookie card. Glenn Davis. Ronnie Sakali. There's another stack. Jason Richardson. Ronnie Sakali. Got that one. Klay Thompson, rookie. That's a good one. Kawhi Leonard for the Spurs PC. Rick Smits. Hedo Turkoglu, I think. Don Nelson, coach for the Warriors. Got a Charles Barkley, 89. Jalen Rose for the Bulls. We got a Detlef Shrimp. He's a pretty good player too. John Starks from Finest. What year is that? 94. I used to have a couple of those rookies. What was that? Horace Grant from Finest. Still got the protector on it. That one's pretty cool. Got a Game Frame New Jersey Nets. Mike Gminski. That's one of my 75 of the checklist. Grab this last stack. Jerome Lane, Chris Childs, Jim Peterson, Darrell Walker, Chucky Brown, Bob Sura, Drazen Petrovic for the Nets, Raphael Addison, Mike Gminski, Joakim Noah. We got a Jerome Kersey, Earl Boykins. So as you can see, you get a lot of junk. Sloan, Irvin Johnson, that's pretty cool. Brian Salier, Oklahoma. There's a Elijah Wan for the Houston Rockets PC, 92-93 Ultra. Dunk rank number 4. It's an interesting card. It's like got perforated. You got Dwayne Wade, Carmelo Anthony, and Chris Bosh. It's a pretty cool little card. Byron Houston, Avery Bradley, Greg Oden. Let's see here. Eddie Johnson, Raymond's McGlinnicks for the Anteaters. I wonder what college that is. Not drafted. Oh, stack's falling. Jay Humphreys. Got a Brent Berry. Here's this Flair. 08. 07, 08. Al Thornton. Scottie Pippen. There you go. 91 Flair. Dirk Nowitzki. Got a Carmelo Anthony. It's a cool looking card. Not sure if that is meant to be like that. I don't think it is. No. Maybe. No, I don't know. Douglas. Who's that? Sherman Douglas. We got a Lance Banks. Horace Grant. Look at that card. It's like fully embossed. Here's this. 95 Tops. That's a cool looking card. Just make some stuff like that nowadays. We got a Dale Ellis. Purvis Ellison. Glenn Rivers. Tom Garrick. Got a Karl Malone. And Anthony Peeler. So that was it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I won't make you guys sit through another one of those for a while. I just enjoy opening some of the sets that I opened when I was a kid, the old junk wax, and then some of the sets that I missed during my hiatus while I was growing up. Definitely check out more of my videos, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below.